Peace and wonders, fam. I trust that you're having a beautiful day, manifesting the innate gifts that are from within. We're dealing with the power of words. Words are extremely powerful. I know growing up in the South, many of us heard the terminology that sticks and stones may break my bones, but words could never harm me. This was completely backwards. It was intended well, but it was not a reality. Words are powerful. They carry chemical messages into the body, creating feelings in alignment with the words that are being used. These feelings can be high, generating positive feelings, or low, negative, vibrating feelings based off the words that are being spoken and the terminology in which those words are spoken. And we must also understand that a lot of these words that we are using are actually self-defeating, even though they appear to be innocuous. Like the word hope. Hope is a beggar. We switch that out for seeking. Seeking is an activity of you going in a direction in order to achieve a certain outcome. Hope is begging for an outcome or uncertain about an outcome. And this produces uncertain feelings within the body. Let's take up the word try. Try is another powerful word, but a more powerful word that gives you more command of what it is that you are doing and tells the body to go in a specific direction is I am doing. Doing is much better than trying. We have to understand that these words, although they seem simple, although it seems to not be a big deal, it is a big deal. Because again, words are more than just the voice or the sound that you hear. They carry chemical messages into the body, and they also help to form the neural networks in the brain. So we must be aware of how we are speaking, and we must speak in a way that gives us command and gives us power to achieve those things that we are seeking to achieve. Never use the word wishing. Another word that takes power away from you as the individual. You're not wishing. You are actually manifesting what it is that you want. And you are headed in that direction while you manifest that which you are going to achieve. Or not. But you're not going to wish for things to happen. That is a hope that takes power away. That means you're dependent on something else instead of depending on you. And sometimes things are out of our control. This is understandable. And no matter what we do, the outcome may not be what it is that we are seeking. But using those words that take power away from us, we must get away from that. And we must teach our children, our grandchildren, the power that is in words, and take away these words that are commonly used that seem to be innocuous but are very detrimental to the growth within the individual's own being. Words are powerful. Let's use words in a way that gives us power, not take power away from us. Basic.